focuses on providing a hot meal and food to the displaced people anywhere we see a need. Started off with the corniche, the people displaced on the roads and also in specific buildings. We're very proud and very happy that our community is truly embodying the values of empathy and responsibility. I want to particularly thank the teachers and the staff who stepped in immediately after there was an influx of displaced people in Beirut, which is on a very tough day, on a Saturday. We are hoping that next week our students will also embody the values of the responsibility and empathy and step in to assist in each one in their schools with this endeavor. This is IC comes together to make the community a better place.